Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 3 ways to deposit on Bitget Nigeria. All right, so first up, the simple deposit right here. Go ahead over to the bottom right, tap on assets. Now just tap on add funds. Now we have 1, 2, and 3 options. Okay, so deposit crypto. If you do have cryptocurrencies on other wallet, okay, you can just go ahead and select the asset. For example, you have Solana on your Solana wallet. Well, just go ahead and copy the deposit address right here, and on your Solana account, find the same exact network and crypto. Copy and continue the withdrawal process under your Solana wallet. Now, the second option is buy and sell right here. Tap on buy USD what? Of course, go ahead and find NGN or Nigerian Naira. Tap on it. Now, how much? For example, you have 1,000 Nigerian Naira. Okay. Now, buy what? So, for example, USDT. Select the payment method and just tap on buy. Now, another option is P2P trading right here. Tap on it. Now, buy what? USDT. Just for example, select the currency. Again, NGN. Tap on it. Now, here you have sellers who accept payments with Nigerian currency. Okay. So just tap on buy, select the payment method right here, bank transfer. Okay. For example, 50 USDT, and the payment method available right here is only bank transfer. Okay. Now just tap on buy USDT right here with 0 fees. Now follow simple prompts. Okay. Read the notes right here, and after that, you should be good to go. Now that is how you deposit on Bitget Nigeria. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you with the next one.